Samuel's Journey to the City. In a cozy home on a green hill, where the coffee trees grew tall, lived a boy named Samuel. He loved the sound of the birds in the morning and the sweet smell of the rain on the earth. One day, his father came home with a letter and a big smile. "Samuel," he said, his voice full of pride, "you are going to a big school in the city. A new adventure awaits you in Addis Ababa." Samuel felt a flutter in his tummy, like a little butterfly. He was excited to see the big city, but he would miss the quiet hills and his parents' warm hugs very much. Packing his bag, he put in his favorite book, the colorful scarf, and a small, smooth stone from the riverbed to remind him of home. "Be brave and be kind," his mother whispered, giving him a long hug. The journey was a rumble of wheels and a blur of colors. Samuel watched the green hills and tiny villages roll by his window, waving goodbye to the world he knew. Then he saw it. Addis Ababa was a city alive with energy. Tall buildings touched the clouds, and blue and white minibuses zipped through the streets like busy little bugs. It was bigger and louder than anything he had ever imagined. His new room was small and neat, with a big window that looked out over a sea of sparkling lights. It wasn't the stars he knew from the countryside, but it was beautiful in a whole new way. The first day of school was filled with new faces. Samuel held his backpack straps tightly, took a deep breath, and remembered his father's words. "An education is a gift you give to yourself." In the playground, a kind-faced boy passed him a soccer ball. "Want to play?" the boy asked with a smile. Samuel smiled back, and in that moment, the big city started to feel a little more like home. Samuel knew his adventure was just beginning. He had his family's love in his heart, a new friend by his side, and a whole city full of wonders to explore. He was ready for anything.